Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Harmony One. On a weekly time frame chart, Harmony One has first broken out this falling wedge pattern, and after that, recently, a few weeks ago, we have broken out this down channel as well. And this resistance zone was very significant. That starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. And now you can see that the price line has moved slightly above this resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now you can see that this cloud is also flipped into a bullish cloud. And I was also showing you in my previous video that there was a bearish divergence on this 7 days time frame chart at the price line was forming higher high, but stochastic was not able to do so, and it was forming slightly lower high than previous high. But you can see that now it is slightly moved up and it is also forming higher high. Therefore, that bearish divergence is also removed from this chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for optimism, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 17th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range, then the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price then moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite nice pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Harmony One, and this is a 7 days time frame chart. And previously, you can see it was moving inside this very huge falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. But you can also observe that while moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, we found the support and resistance of another down channel. Therefore, the price line was continuously moving to the downside even after breaking out this very huge resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. And this was a quite long-term support zone here that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here for several weeks or months, and almost here as a resistance as well. And after the breakout, you can see it is flipped into a very strong support zone. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, several touch points here. And in fact, there was a huge double bottom formation as well. Like this was the first bottom and this was the second bottom, and the price then geared up and broke out the resistance of this down channel as well. And now recently, you can see that the price then has moved above this quite long-term resistance on that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. And this level had been previously working as a very strong resistance on here and support zone here. We had nice bounce here, but finally we broke it down, and since then it was flipped into a strong resistance. We got rejection here, here, and here, and now recently it is moved above this resistance zone. And if we take a look at the smaller time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several hours or days, it is retesting the previous resistance as a support again and again. And now there is a probability that soon it may move to the next resistance that is here at 5.8 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance. Previously, it has been working as a strong support here, and therefore now it can work as a strong resistance. And at the same time, we have also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. When we were breaking out this cloud here, at that time, I was telling you that now soon this cloud can be flipped into a bullish cloud, and now you can see that it is completely flipped into a bullish cloud. The color is changed from red to green. Therefore, now it can also work as a long-term support for the price line of Harmony One. There was also a bearish divergence that I was showing on this 7 days time frame chart, and that was the stochastic oscillator was showing this that bearish divergence because it was not able to form another higher than previous high, and the price line was forming higher than previous high. And now you can see that stochastic is also slightly moved up, and that bearish divergence is also removed. Now, if we take a look at the final target for these two breakouts from this falling wedge, from this down channel, and from this falling wedge pattern, then target for the breakout from this down channel, that technical target is here at the next long-term resistance of 58 cents. 5.8 cents, not 58 cents, at 5.8 cents. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.